Reveal Transform. Reveal Transform revolutionizes how heavy construction teams turn PDF plan sets into clean, structured digital data. Purpose-built for takeoff technicians, estimators, project engineers, and model builders, it replaces hours of manual cleanup with guided automation, delivering accuracy, speed, and consistency from bid to build. With an intuitive workflow and AI-assisted tools, Reveal Transform reconstructs messy data into usable CAD-like line work, extracts meaningful text, and aligns sheets into real-world coordinates, creating a reliable data foundation for takeoff, modeling, and production tracking. Transform classifies plan elements, joins, aligns, and merges overlapping sheets, letting teams focus on decisions, not data cleanup. To align the plan sheets, simply drag the plan next to the adjacent sheet. Snap the common lines together to ensure an accurate alignment. Convert embedded plan text into usable, actionable data such as spot elevations, contour labels, and sheet details. This increases takeoff accuracy and saves significant time during early project review and quantity analysis. Reveal Transform works on all sheets simultaneously, grouping sheets by type and aligning them to real-world coordinates, enabling cleaner, more efficient workflows and a seamless handoff to GradeWork and other downstream tools. Export clean, ready-to-use data to GradeWork for rapid takeoff creation, accurate modeling, and improved production tracking. Consistent digital foundations help teams accelerate bids, reduce rework, and collaborate with confidence.